Hi folks, welcome to Dutchy Cooking. Today we'll be making spicy turkey leg. In a bowl I'm going to mix 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, the juice of 1 lime, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of natural yogurt, 2 tablespoons of puree beetroot, all this mixed in. Right, the turkey leg. Now most people just put the mayonnaise straight onto the skin. To me, the skin just acts as a barrier. So, what I'm going to do is release this skin, pull it down like me just to loosen it a bit, get a bit of kitchen paper, helps to grip it, pull it down. Once we've got it like this, I'm just going to make some deep scores into the flesh. I'm going to repeat this all the way around the leg. Now it's ready to marinate. So we're going to work this marinade into all these deep slashes. This will really put some flavour into the meat. Turn it down, make sure we cover it all over. Still working it in. Okay, now it's time to pull the skin back up. This is trapping the flavour inside. So I'm just showing to waste this marinade, so we're just going to use this up on the skin. It's all adding flavour. Once we've done all this, this needs to be put into a fridge to marinate for a minimum of 4 hours. Okay, I've got this cast iron pan on top of my joy stove, so I'm going to put the turkey leg in, get the lid on, get some nice cold on it, and we're going to let this cook. So this has been on for an hour and 15 minutes. The IT is 74 degrees. So it's ready.
So there we have it. Spiced turkey leg. That's a winner.
If you like what we're doing here at Dutchy Cooking, why not subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell.